thousands of orders monthly. Excel or PDFs flood screens. An international logistics firm's routine. Requires extracting item names, weights separately, plus calculating freight or time per order via preset rules. High frequency, repetitive data processing with multi-condition logic. Consumes 50% of daily man-hours. iSearch automation solution. Accurately reads client shipping docs. Executes 12 preset rules like freight calculation. Instantly generates formatted shipping detail sheets. Ready for ERP integration. Streamlining subsequent order or fulfillment operations. Post-implementation results. 5 times faster order processing. 30% drop in customer complaints. Delivering rapid response commitment. Building brand competitiveness. This automation applies equally to bulk financial invoice processing, manufacturing work order routing, sales order data handling. Follow us. Replicate success in your industry.